In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a completely recorded course to your Unsolved Network, to your membership site. Let me share my screen and get started. Firstly, if you're on your membership site, you probably see some options here. If you don't see an option called course, how do you activate it? You head over to settings, click features, scroll downwards till you see courses, click courses and then click submit. Instantly you will find that courses has been added as a tab. Once it's added as a tab, now you can head there and you can start creating courses for yourself. How do you do that? You go there and click the plus button. You create a course name, demo course 1, right? Leave the price blank in case you want to leave this course as free. If you want to price this course, then of course add a price. You don't need to price it. Like, let's say many people use a strategy where they sell a course standalone. We normally suggest that you just keep courses free for members, right? So because they've already paid you before, so you just charge for the membership price but keep all courses free. Now, but the option is on you. The next thing is number of seats, in case you want to limit the number of seats. Course language, course category. Category is what, how do you, who can access? That's what you're really attempting to say. So if only silver members can access this, right? Or if it's silver, gold and platinum can access this, then you have to put that down as well. Then who can enroll, whether it's members or anyone. Course start date, it starts immediately after purchase. Once you click this and click save and proceed, now you can add a video sales pitch and then you can add sessions. Video sales pitch is the video that you see before you enroll, and then sessions are pretty much what you add post that. And of course you can also add FAQs here to the exact same page, so the people before they enroll for a course, if they have questions, if it's priced especially, you may want to add FAQs. Right, so what do you do here to add a session? You just go here, put the session title 1 for example, upload your video over here, upload a cover image, allow it to be previewed, allows people to catch your video even before they enroll in the course. So it's almost like I'll give you 1 or 2 videos in the course for free, right? So that they get a sense for how this course is going to be. And then attach docs and then add session notes, right? So all of these are possible. You can use a combination of this to make sure that you can teach your members. And once you're done, you just save it. Once you have saved it, there is an option called publish. Only when you click publish will this course go live, otherwise it will not go live. Same thing, you can add FAQs over here, add a question, answer it, etc. right? Now the important thing for you to note is what will it look like. So mostly our platform is what we call a micro course platform. So it's not meant to have 100 videos in a single course. You might want to break that up into micro courses. Like all of these are different micro courses. The more number of courses you have on your membership site, it suddenly feels that much more worthy to kind of one, to buy, and 2, it also feels easier to finish because each course may be much smaller in length. Right, so you try and break up your content into multiple courses and then figure out maybe these 2 courses you're only giving access to silver members, but you're giving gold members access to all 4 courses. Just a way to think about it. Now this is essentially what we can do. Courses, when you click on it, will scroll, they will, depends on the format, whether you choose to have landscape or portrait, both are possible. Right, and if it's portrait on the thing, it will become larger, right? So it will become larger. So you can decide whether you want portrait or whether you want landscape. Both formats are possible, and this is pretty much it. I think you understand how courses work now. Go ahead, create your first course, and if you get stuck, let us know in the comments.